tried to hold in a sneeze? Bad idea. When you feel that tickle and try to suppress it, your body generates up to 40,000 pascals of pressure. That's enough to fracture a rib. The air that was supposed to exit at 100 miles per hour gets redirected through your eustachian tubes, potentially rupturing your eardrums. Your diaphragm, already contracted like a coiled spring, strains against your intercostal muscles. Blood vessels in your eyes and nose can burst from the pressure spike. And here's the kicker. All those bacteria and irritants you were trying to expel, they get forced back into your sinuses, increasing infection risk. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, just let it out.